Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about my audio income report from January 2020. Yes, that's about 12 months back. But if you're new to the channel, you could go ahead and look at the auto playlist below down there. There's going to be a link for you to see different months throughout this year. I'm trying to show most of you, about 60% that are watching these videos, that this is can do this too. And this is just one part of the business. I will probably make other income reports showing other book sales and on different platforms and on Amazon, but this is just a very easy one to show. This is a very stable one. This is where I make the most, but I'm doing about $20,000 to $30,000 a month with self-publishing. You could go ahead and look at the other videos on this channel. Anyway, without further ado, if you stick to the end, I'm going to give you a surprise. And I'm going to go back to even December of 2019. But this video is for January 2020. And guys, do me a favor, if you do find value in this content and you want to see more and learn how to do this, go ahead and subscribe to the channel or smash that like button. I would really appreciate that. I'm trying to grow the channel. All right, without further ado, let's get into this lesson. All right, welcome back. We're here in my back office, and right away, if you haven't seen any of my videos before, this is my back office for audiobooks for ACX. You could see it's December 7th, 2020. I've sold over 110,000 copies of audiobooks. Full disclosure here, just a disclaimer on finances. Just because I make this amount of money does not mean that you will make this type of money. You could make more, you could make less, or you may not make anything. This is an educational channel for all intents and purposes. All right, let's get into it. I had to give that disclaimer. So you could see 2020 reports haven't come out, obviously, for November. I do have some videos here for a couple of these months, but let's go down to January. Look, we got we also have 2019 here, but let's go into January. That's what this video is about, and we're going to go into the summary report PDF. We just have to wait for my computer to scan it. And here's a scan. We'll open up the PDF file here in a second. Here we go. So we open this up, and you will see my name here. You will see January 2020. You'll see that I did about 19,818, and I sold one bounty for 75. The total is 19,893. Let's put that up on an Excel sheet here, because I'm going to show you some more stuff. So we'll do 19,819, I think it was. And let's give this a $sign here to make this legitimate. And I'm going to show you another income report here for a smaller account that I have as well, so you could see. All right, let's see here. All right, so here's another a smaller account that I have. I'm going to open up January 2020. Let's scroll down to 2020 here. Also PDF. And this one's going to ask me. I'm going to open it up in Adobe. Let's see. Let's see here. Okay, here's this report, 2020. And here's another, we did a small bounty here for $25. So $71.47 for this account. And $71.47, we'll put that here, $71.47. So between these two accounts, I did in January this year, I did $26,966, guys. $26,966, so $26,966, starting off the year just from audio. And again, this is just from audio. This is not from Ingram Spark. This is not from Amazon platform. This is just audiobook sales. This is the strongest. I'll probably do half of this in book sales. So I'll probably do 7,000 or 8,000 here and 2 to 3,000 here in book sales, give or take, which puts me well over 30,000 for that month in profit and earnings. Anyway, that was January, but I want to show you, I said if you stick to the end, I want to show you exactly a year from now, because this is, we're currently in December 7th. So let's go back to December. All right. And for the skeptics out there, I'm going to do this a little bit differently so you could see what this is all about. Okay, so I wanted to do this a little bit differently just because I've always show the PDF income report coming straight out of Audible, but I just want to show you here on my Wells Fargo account. This is actually November. I have to go to December. Well, in November 2019, I did, as you can see, Audible here, deposit to me $16,193. These are some of my book sales. Also, November, another 6,000. So I did about 22,000, 23,000 just from this side. But I said December, so let me go up to December. December again, Audible, EFT to me, another 16,000 for December. So you just saw 2 different months. You've seen several months now, 15, 16,000 range. Anyway, that was my about a year ago consistent business. It's still consistent business, and this is something that you guys can do. And in the channel, I'm going to provide some content for you guys to learn how to do this, but you do have to publish. You do have to publish a lot of books. This is not low content where you're publishing 100 books a day or that stuff, but you do have to publish, books every single month, and you do have to do all of the things that I teach for you to do, which is create bundles. And I have a lot of bundles here on audible.com where I put a couple of books together, and those books turned into 10-15 hours worth of content, and those sell for $24 or $25 plus, and that's how I make so much money doing this. Anyway, this is not to boast. This is just to show you, just because I find content online and I look for stuff to make money other ways, but you have a lot of people on here that are just showing you how to theoretically make money, but I don't see them doing it. And I want to always show you that this is a real business. And regardless of why I have a course or not, or why I'm offering this information, I do want to be one of the real people on YouTube that is actually making money doing something. And they're just not showing you a lot of, click here to make $2 there and all of this. And I'm not saying it's nonsense. I'm just saying, if you're going to teach something, show people that you're making money doing it, so you don't get scammed and you waste your time. And that's why I want to show a lot of proof, because what I have to share with you is real. Anyway, it's late at night here, and I hope you get value. I hope you get inspired, and I want you guys to go to work. I'll see you in the next one.